Hi students, welcome back. We are continuing exercise 17a. Today we can discuss question number 43. In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle, center O, chord BD is perpendicular to AC. Write down the angles P, Q, R in terms of X. Given AC is the diameter, BD perpendicular to AC, BD is perpendicular to AC, given angle AOB as X, then BDC as R and ACBQ and DACP. These all things given in the question itself. Look at angle AOB. AOB is the central angle. So AOB will be equal to AB segment. AOB lies in the segment AB. AOB will be equal to, look at angle ACB. So AOB will be equal to 2 times angle ACB, that is angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference using the theorem. So AOB is given as X, so we can write X is equal to 2 times angle ACB. So we can write X is equal to 2 into Q, that is X is equal to 2 into Q, that is 2Q. O is the center of the circle. OA and OB are the radii of the circle. So what about angles, opposite angles? OA and OB are equal means the angle opposite to that particular sides will be equal. So which two angles will be equal? OAB will be equal to ABO. That is, these two angles will be equal since these two angles will be equal. Why? Because AO is equal to BO. It is a radius, so angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. Then consider triangle AOB. Consider this triangle AOB. So AOB, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So AOB, this angle A plus B plus angle this O is equal to 180 degree. So AOB plus angle ABO plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. AOB is X. Now we proved these two angles will be equal. So we can write only one. Instead of ABO, we can write it as OAB. Already proved. Since these two are equal, we can say that the two angles will be equal. Opposite angles will be equal. Once we proved here, so we can replace ABO as OAB itself. Here OAB as OAB itself is equal to 180 degree. Once again, AOB is equal to X in the question. Now we proved these two angles will be equal. So instead of ABO, instead of this B angle, we can write this A angle itself. So X plus angle OAB plus again OAB we can write. OAB is equal to 180. So X plus 2 into angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle OAB is equal to 180 minus this X will become minus X. So angle OAB is equal to 180 minus X divided by 2. 2 is common for both 180 and X. So split that, 180 by 2 minus X by 2. It will be 180 by 2 is 90. 90 minus X by 2. So angle OAB is equal to 90 minus X by 2. Look at angle OAB. OAB. So for writing OAB we can write, instead of OAB we can write it as this O. Yes. Instead of O we can write it as CAB. Both are same, no. So OAB, instead of OAB we can write it as CAB. So angle CAB is equal to OAB, what we got, 90 minus X by 2. So angle CAB also will be 90 minus X by 2. Let it be equation number 1. Given angle CDR is equal to R. Angle CDR is equal to R. given CDB is equal to R. First I told CDR, sorry. CDB is equal to R. Angle CDB will be equal to angle CAB. These two angles will be equal because CB is the segment. CDB lies in the segment CB. Same way CAB also lies in the segment CB. So angles in the same segment are equal. So CDB is equal to R means we can write CAB also as R. Since it is given R, so here also it will be R. Let it be equation number 2. First we got from equation number 1, CAB we got it as 90 minus x by 2. 90 minus x by 2 CAB. Now we have CAB is equal to R. Equating 1 and 2 we will get R is equal to both CAB. No, left side CAB, here also left side CAB. So we can equate the right side. So R is equal to 90 minus x by 2. R is equal to 90 minus x by 2. That is angle ADB. R is equal to 90 minus x by 2. Next, look at angle ADB. ADB and AOB lies in the segment AB. AOB is the central angle. It is given as x. ADB, what will be ADB? ADB will be x by 2, that is AOB by 2. Central angle divided by 2 will be this angle ADB. So ADB can be written as angle AOB by 2, that is given as x. So angle ADB is equal to x by 2, that is angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So why we are finding this ADB is equal to x by 2? ADB we got it as x by 2, that is AOB is x, then ADB will be x by 2. Why we are finding this? Because we want to find the angle, which one? CED. We want to find angle CED. It is given as 90 degree. So how can we find this angle CED? It is 90 degree. In terms of x we want to find out. CED we want to find in terms of x. So this, consider this as an exterior angle. If this is an exterior angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So this we got it as P. So this angle ADE we want. So that for that only we proved that is angle ADB as x by 2. So now we got angle ADB as x by 2. So here P, we wrote x by 2 here. Then mark the intersection point at BD and AC intersecting point as E. This angle DEC is given as DEC as 90 degree from the question. So exterior angle, if we are considering this triangle ADE, considering ADE this triangle, exterior angle will be DEC. Exterior angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is P plus x by 2. So this is 90 degree. Exterior angle DEC is equal to P plus x by 2, that is sum of opposite interior angles. From the question we have this angle as, this angle E is given as 90 degree. So we can replace it as 90 degree. 90 is equal to P plus x by 2. We need P in terms of x. So P is equal to 90 minus x by 2. P is equal to 90 minus x by 2. First we proved Q as x by 2 and already R we proved R is equal to 90 minus x by 2. So our question is we want to find the values of P, Q and R. So P is equal to 90 minus x by 2. Q we got it as x by 2 from the first part itself. Then from the after doing second part we got R is equal to 90 minus x by 2. Now we got P is equal to 90 minus x by 2.